Hi, welcome to Shabil Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson Bit Swamba. Okay, in our today's video, we shall be able to make a continuation of the measurements, that is in meters, centimeters, and also kilometers. Following our recent video, we are able to discuss how we can get meters, how we can change meters to centimeters, meters to kilometers. So in today's video, we shall be able to concentrate on how we can add meters and centimeters, then and kilometers. Okay, so we shall be able to see when they are given it in a statement, when they are given it in our normal addition, we should be able to add, or we should be able to subtract these meters from meters, then kilometers from kilometers. Yes, so we shall be able to hover and understand how do we do them and how do we come about an answer. Okay, so let's get started and see how we can get this, or how we can achieve this. Okay, here it is here. We shall purposely be looking at addition of long distances, as we said that when dealing with measurements, that's a special length, we cannot move away from the distance, where we even said that the length of the length is defined as the measurement, or as the measure between 2 points. So that means when you move from the first point to the second point, you will have moved what we call a distance. Okay, so in our example here, we have been given a question or a trial. They are telling us and say, add, we have 15 kilometers and we also have 880 meters to 6 kilometers, then 750 meters. So as usual, we should be able to arrange the kilometers to the corresponding kilometers, not a kilometer to a meter. Okay, so you can see here we're able to arrange 15 kilometers, which is here. Then also the 6 kilometers, we add them. Then we also get the meters, which we're having 880. The first, then 700 and what? 750. So after arranging them according to their place values, then you can be able now to perform what? To perform the addition. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. We are having what is a 0 plus a 0. Shall be able to come up with what? With a 0. And also if we add if we add 8 plus 5, shall be able to come up with a 13. Okay, let me show you here. 8 plus 5, we come with a 13. Okay, so we write 3, we take 3 here, and we carry what? We carry 1. Okay, so the one we carried, now here shall be having our 8. 8 plus what? 8 plus 7, we get 15. Then plus this one, come with 16. So here we shall be able to write a 6. We get a 16. Then we write 6, we carry 1. When you carry 1 and say 5 plus 5 plus what? Plus 6, shall be able to come up with 13. 5 plus 6 is what? Okay, what is 5 plus what? 5 plus 6, it is 11. And then plus 1 that we carried from here, 1 that we carried from there, then we shall be able to come up with with a 12. Then 12, we write a 2 Okay, we write 2, then we carry 1, then 1 plus a 0 here, it is 0 plus the 1 we carried, it comes 2, 2. Okay, so we can now be able to say that we got our 22 what? This is going to be in kilometers, okay, and also this is going to be in what? In meters. Also, to make the same with this, we can also be able to add them. We say 0 plus 0, this becomes 10, write 0, carry 1, 5 plus this is also 12, we write 2, you carry also 1, and then this is 3 plus what? 3 plus 8, we get 11, then 11 plus 1 to get 12, you write 2, you carry what? You carry 1, and then also here comes up with 22. So that's how we can perform some addition on long distances. Okay, so let's proceed to another one. Here we are going to perform what we call subtraction of what? Subtraction of long distances. In these long distances, it is the same as carrying out what? Carrying out the normal subtraction. So here we shall be able to say, when they have given you maybe in a statement, please be able to arrange them in the form such that you are not making your work not to be seen. The kilometers on their kilometers, and also the meters on their meters, on the line of their meters, and according to the place value. Okay, so we can now subtract 0 and a 0, get a 0. Okay, so a 0 from us 6 minus 7, we get this is impossible. We borrow 1 from here. Shall be able to borrow what? Borrow 1 from here. So when you borrow 1 from here, this remains what? 1, and this becomes 16. Okay, this becomes 16. So when you say 16 minus what? 16 minus 7 will remain with 9. Okay, and then when you say 1 minus 3, it is impossible. We also come and borrow 1 from here. Okay, borrow 1 from there, then here remains what? 5. Then this becomes what? This becomes 11. What is 11 minus 3? Our answer becomes 8. So 8 minus the 5 which remained here minus 2, I shall be able to get a 3. Then 4 minus 1, we get a 3. So you see the number is easy, and you can be able to come up with the answer. Also, this is the same method we are going to say. You just subtract 5 from 0, you get a 5, 5, 9, this is impossible. You borrow 1 from here, this remains what? 3. So this is now 15. Okay, then 15 minus 9, we get a 6. And then 3 minus 6, impossible. We borrow 1 from this side, this remains 7. This becomes 10. Then 10 minus 1, we also borrow 1. This is going to be 9, and this is going to be 13. So when you subtract 13 from 6, shall be able to get 7. Okay, good. And then also this is 9. Okay, this is 9 minus a 0, we get a 9. 7 minus 3, we get 4. 2 minus 1, we get 1. So we have perfectively and accurately got our answers very right. That is how we can perform what? We can perform subtraction and addition of these numbers. Okay, so for this, I do say thank you very much for watching this video. Please be able to subscribe and checking out on our playlist so that you can get all the upcoming lessons as far as we upload as fast as we put a new resource. God bless you very much. Have a nice moment.